When it comes to rapid concept models and prototypes, few systems are able to match the speed, detail and part quality of the Figure 4 Standalone 3D printer. Figure 4 is built from the ground up for designers and engineers that need to rapidly iterate through design concepts without having to wait days or weeks for parts from the RP shop. The system is rugged, easy to operate and can be set up in small spaces, printing the same day out of the box. By reducing every concept iteration stage to just hours and then multiplying that saving across every design workgroup in a large enterprise, the time to market advantages quickly mount up. For design and marketing teams, sales presentation models can be placed in the hands of customers by the end of the same meeting. Post-processing on the Figure 4 is fast, typically taking less than an hour, unlike some DLP systems that require multiple post-processing steps. Parts featuring thin walls, curved surfaces, and complex geometries, like this painted eyewear frame, look virtually the same as traditionally manufactured parts. The very high surface resolution also makes Figure 4 ideal for text on part and texturing. As well as saving you the time and cost of moulding and tooling, you can now directly apply textures to any 3D printed surface with no distortion on curves or corners. Accurately fitting moving parts work really well, as you can see on this smoothly working door hinge, which was printed as a complete assembly. And thin-walled tongue and groove inserts fit perfectly, like you see in this medical device prototype. Figure 4 is being used in manufacturers of consumer goods, electronics, medical devices, automotive and industrial equipment around the world.